This is Bill Smith from S5 Couple Locks. I'm going to demonstrate how to install the LCS3PIN. It's a 3-inch pintle lock that goes on the C channel. It will only work on the C channel. This lock, it locks not only the pintle, but it locks the bolts, and it comes around from the sides, the back, and the top in the way it captures them. So the way this lock works, drop the puck lock out. Got a plate that comes out. It's got a alignment pipe on the inside. So you set this down from the top, and it captures those bolts as it drops down over it. Then this ball plate comes up from the bottom, and then we slide puck lock in and lock it there. So you can get this lock at either your local dealer or at shop.s5locks.com.